Alright, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. In today's video, we're going to talk about the opening range breakout strategy here. We're trading on this date, we're March 4th, we're trading the ES. And then we have another another segment after this on March 5th trades and the ES also. So we're using our FlowBots Replikanto trade copier, and we're trading multiple accounts, so you don't have to trade all day. So this is the results of the first trade, and then our second trade, that's our total results for the day, and we ended up doing 4,900. And then on the 5th, we ended up doing two trades for 3,900. So let's take a look at the trades. And with the trade copier, there is some slippage. That does happen. Sometimes trades don't get out all the way, and you got to manually cancel them. Like nothing really happened here. They all lined up. But here, we got some positive slippage, and so it does happen. There's nothing really to worry about. So here's our first trade with the opening range breakout that we made 474 on 3 contracts. I believe we had a 450 goal, just not trying to hit a home run like 800 or 1,000. We're trading 6 accounts, so 6 times 4 is 2,400 last time I took a math test. So the market was pretty weak here at the open. A lot of news moving the market with tariffs, so we set it up to trade the first couple minutes. This is a pretty aggressive move. If you're just starting out with the strategy, you probably want to wait for a later time frame. That's all explained in the manuals and videos. And so once it took out the low, it went short on the 3 contracts and hit our goal. Printed this on the chart, and you got the print there of the profits, and then here is the profit meter, scale, whatever you want to call it. Then we had a second trade here just before 10 o'clock, another time frame that we trade, and we reset up the strategy just after that last trade, and the market was still weak. It took out this low, but we lowered our goal. I believe my goal was 320 on the ES, because I wasn't going to go for no high goal because the market was down, pretty much, and was probably going to bounce back up. So bot took out the low, opening range low, and we got 324 profit on that one, and that's how we got that profit for the day, which put us up over $4,900 in just 2 trades. So very profitable with the ORB strategy if you're trading multiple accounts. I know a trader that's got 10 accounts, goes for 200. He makes $2,000 in one trade. So, you got to trade your style and what you're used to and how many accounts you have. You have 1, that's fine. So let's look at the other trades. So here we are on March 5th, and we're trading 3 contracts of the ES again. We got the $400 goal, and this is the opening range of the first half hour. And this is, you'll find that patterns do repeat, and this is basically a repeat pattern. It's all explained in the manual and videos. In here, it went to go short. It triggered the short right at the low, and we took some heat, but our stop was up here, and then the market fell back down because it was weak, and that usually doesn't happen. But we got our 412 profit, and like I said, we're using the trade copier once again. So there's the profits on 6 accounts, and let's look at the next trade. A little slippage here on this one. They all didn't get out at the same. These 4 did. So, that's why when you do trade, multiple accounts, I would suggest, not trading more than 10 because I can tell you a story. A trader, you know, Apex brainwashes you, tells you need 20 accounts, get $100, you make 2,000. That's all you got to do every day, right? So this trader, you know, took him a while, but he got his full 20 accounts, and he was doing good for a while, and then he ended up blowing them all in like 3 weeks or something. So, you know, it's a good idea to get a couple accounts like I did. I got 2, 3, traded those for a couple months, got payouts, and you know, you're not blowing all your money, and then gradually add some and get more payouts and so forth. But you don't need 10 or 20. I mean, with 6 accounts, you make $300. That's $1,800. So getting 20 accounts at once, or even 10 at once, is not the way to go. You just want to start with a couple, trade for a couple months, get 1 or 2 more, and slowly build them. If you have 10, it doesn't really make sense to trade all 10. I would trade 5 one day and then 5 the next, or 6. You know, I wouldn't trade them all unless you really know what you're doing. So here's our next trade here after 10 o'clock, and the market rallied off the lows, broke out, and we only got $237 on this trade, but it all adds up. Like I said, we'll take it. Better than having a loss. And that's the profits for the day, just a little over $3,900. So trade copying is very profitable with the opening range breakout strategy. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And check out our strategies page for more information on the ORB strategy.